everyone doing? Well, I wanted to do an unboxing, which you see in the title, what it is going to be. And also, before I get to the Cartier bracelet, I didn't tell you what it was. It's a bracelet, but it's not the love bracelet, and it's not the nail, even though I do have a little something that looks like that. So I'm going to do two hauls, but I do want to show you this because I want to go ahead and light it, and I should do a Hobby Lobby haul because I went to Hobby Lobby. Would y'all like a Hobby Lobby haul? But this won't be in it because I'm going to go ahead and light this. This is the Plentiful Harvest with notes of creamy pumpkin, nutmeg, clove, guaiacood. I've never seen the G-U-A. Is that a Q? U-A-I-C. Guaiacood. And warm vanilla bean. And this is also a wooden wick. Y'all, I wish we had smell-o-vision. See the little wood wick. And it's just, y'all, I want fall so bad. I hate summer. It's so hot. Now, I don't know if you're supposed to trim those any lower than what it is. So I'm going to light this. Here's a piece of wood, so there'll be a crackle in the background. There we go. I think you are supposed to trim that. Most wicks you're supposed to trim down to a 1/4 inch. So probably should have done that. But anyway, also if you hear another little trickling sound, I have this little baby fountain over there. And I can't remember where I got it. I don't know if I got it at Pike's. If I got it at Cracker Barrel. I think I got it at Cracker Barrel. I need to do my Cracker Barrel haul too. Okay, let's do what I came here for right now. Okay, so I took the box, everything out of the outer box. So this is what it looks like when you first get it. And I've got the envelope, which I think all this would be the paperwork, but I haven't looked in it, so I don't know. It's awful big if it's for the paperwork. Okay, so here is Cartier and all their little emblems. I don't know what all they say for. Yes. Order from. Oh, this is a return. This is return papers, should I need them. Did this come from Paris, London, or New York? I cannot tell. Anyway, this is called the Trinity Bracelet. And it's 3 different karat golds on a cord. So that is the style that I got. No, I did not get the nail, and no, I did not get the love bracelet. Even though I have a love bracelet, and it's in sterling, so it's not really from Cartier. But it's where it's got the little screws, and you have to screwdriver it in. Honestly, I hated the screwdrivering it in. It felt very, I don't know. Certification that it's Cartier. So once I open this, why would this be sealed? Because, yeah, you want to keep anything that makes your product more legitimate, especially if you ever plan to sell it. Like, if it's personalized, you can forget it. But, I mean, if it's not personalized, why can't I get this out? It looks like it's red leather. Otherwise, I wouldn't care. Oh, look. I think that's the receipt, y'all. No, this is the certificate in French. It says made in 18 karat gold. We certify this is authentic Cartier jewel. And it's stamped. I'm going to cover my little number there, not that y'all would try to steal it. But it's stamped down here by Cartier. And it's in this nice little, yeah, so I'd definitely keep that. And I would keep that in its little envelope. And I would put it in the box and keep the box. Okay, let's get that. Oh. Also, it's just got a Cartier shopping bag. I'm going to keep it. You never know if I should decide to sell this, because this isn't sentimental except to me. I like that it's the Trinity, the 3 circles, Father, Son, Holy Spirit to me. Also Trinity gold, so it goes with anything. But what really drew me to this is, I don't know if y'all notice, I wear rubber bands on my wrist, the black, material kind, because I'm always having to put my hair up in a ponytail. And I thought, wouldn't it be neat? Oh, okay, so here's what it looks like. I didn't even show y'all the box. It's a nice magnetized box, so that's what it looks like. And all that stuffing stuff, which I hate. And near a fire, that's not very good. Here's the box. That's what the box looks like. And inside the box is the famous Cartier box with the little red, what would you call that? Garland, rose garland. And then the little gold lock right there. So you push it in, and there it is. Cartier box, okay. Let's see what it looks like. Do I want to keep it or send it back? Oh, I like it. Yeah. Look at this. It's going to actually make my hand hit. I can't talk. It's going to make my... Why do I not have any light? Okay, it's going to make my hand... I can't talk. What am I trying to say? Hairbands look like a piece of jewelry. Look. Look how it's almost identical. Look. Okay, so how do you get that off? Hold on. Oh, it's just pull through. Okay, because that has the little emblem, so I don't want to get rid of that. There's a little emblem, same as came on my purse. Hold on, hold on, hold on. And again, this isn't the super expensive one. This is just, it's the one I like and for my purposes. Okay, because I don't want to cut this, but I do want to, hold on. I think I just made a knot. I did. So I guess I'm going to have to cut this. Okay. Then I will. Luckily, I have something handy. But I will keep the little charm. I'll keep that in there. Now, how does this work? I guess you just slide it on and then you tighten it down. It is darker right here. I think I do need to have the light over here too. But it is also nighttime. How does this work? I would imagine you pull one or the other down. Like that. Okay, I'll have to figure it out. See where the little knots are? You probably need to tighten it that way. But see how it will be. I feel like I'm in a total blur here. Let me get up close. Block my eye out, block that out. Gosh, it's like you have to block everything to get it to focus. Focus. There. Y'all, I don't know. Now that I cut that thing off, I think you have to keep it. But I'm wondering. That's what it looks like. It looks like one of the rubber bands on my arm. Which is what I wanted. I can't get it to focus. It's focusing on everything in the background but that. There. Let's see if that will do it. Look, just focus. There. Finally. Now you can see. 3 little rings of gold. So what do you think? I don't know. Now I'm back out of focus again. There we go. Yeah, this is a very poor lighting, so I wouldn't say it's the best unboxing ever. And I'm not sure I understand how to tighten this down. I guess I'll have to take it off and try it, and then try it when I put it back on. What do y'all think? So I'm going to slide it off. I would imagine it's one of these knots things. Surely it. Why wouldn't that be in the box? Like, why wouldn't it tell you how to do it? Do you have to be a person that knows? It seems like one of these you would pull. Right? I don't want to pull it and tear it up. To tighten it up. I'm sure you don't just put it over your arm, like slide it over and leave it there. That wouldn't make sense. It's not like it's a bangle. I mean, you could just leave it like that. But also, here's something to think about. Because of the rings, it hangs like that. So it just literally looks like. But that is what I wanted it for. Is that just weird? What do y'all think? Okay, I've got 2 minutes to make this work. So first of all, the light should be back there better. And I apologize for that. Because I thought, there's a lamp on over there, and there's a light right here. But I guess I really do need that light. So, you know what I'm going to do? I can't. There's so much stuff, right? Still working on this room, y'all. I bet you could tell in the background. So, this is what it looks like. 3 strands. Looks like 3 rubber bands instead of just 2. And I thought it would be tighter like that. That's kind of more what I was expecting. I bet there's a way to tighten this. I guess I better go look it up. But I do like the 3 little rings. It's pretty. I like it. Like I said, this is just a silk band. Or satin silk. I guess I should look it up and read more about it, huh? But that's what it is. That's what it looks like. You really could do the same thing with my rubber bands and just get a little piece of little charm and put it on my rubber band. But then it's not real Cartier. So, alright, y'all. Well, that's it. I do like it. I really do like it. Especially since I'm wearing black today. Kind of looks cool. I just gotta figure out how to tighten it up. Anyway, I love you guys. Thanks for walking me through this. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.